Eye care usually ranks low in our priorities, but it is something we should pay more attention to.
That's true, especially since millions of Filipinos suffer from an eye defect or disorder.
So how do we treat and manage this condition? All we need to do is ask.
The more you ask and talk, the better we doctors can help you. Your health depends on you and me.
And after today, we hope that you can be encouraged to lessen activities that are harmful for the eyes. And of course, to eat more food that is rich in vitamin A. I'm Maricel Laksa Pangilinan.
We also hope that you will have your mind set on visiting an ophthalmologist to have the quality of your vision checked. I'm Dr. Oyi Balburias, and it's time to Talk to Doc.
Topic is timely because August is coming up, right?
Yes, August happens to be sight-saving month, and I think we cannot stress enough the importance of our sense of vision. Just imagine living in a world of darkness and how limiting that can be.
That's exactly what our featured patient today was able to avoid, thanks to a successful eye operation.
For 19 years, Wilfredo Aliare has been suffering from diabetes, and this caused other serious problems to his body. He had a hard time walking, breathing, and always felt tired. In November last year, his right eye became blurred. He bore the pain for 4 months.
Lumabo na mata, halos nahihirapan na po akong... Ito lang pong kanan ko. At ito naman pong kaliwa, sadyang malilaw. Hanggang ngayon po itong mga ilang buwan, para pong mapamapa na nakikita ko sa aking mata. Pag minsan po may tulpok-tulpok na gano'n, parang mapa-mapa, hanggang sa mga pong nakaraang 3 months, the blackout na nga po. Wala na po akong totally blind na.
His attending physician, Dr. Sherman Valero, diagnosed him with a condition known as vitreous hemorrhage, wherein blood vessels burst, filling the eyes with blood. This was caused by diabetic retinopathy, an eye condition brought about by long-standing and uncontrolled diabetes. Wilfredo underwent a procedure called small incision vitrectomy, as well as pattern laser treatment using highly advanced technology that allowed very quick and enhanced results.
Wala po akong naramdaman. Talaga pong ayos ang ako po hindi nila pinatulog. Gising na gising nga po ako.
A week after, Wilfredo's clear vision returned.
Mga 5 days nung maalis na nga yung minatanaw na agad ako, yung mga kasabahay. Sabi ko, ayos na. Kaya tuwa ako talaga po.
Technology has surely made things easier for both doctor and patient. That procedure might have taken longer than usual if it were done a decade ago. Diba, no, Doc?
That's true. Today, we have all these skilled doctors and advanced medical equipment that can offer better patient outcomes.
There's just so much to discuss when it comes to eye disorders and the available treatment options. But we'll have to take a quick break for now.
Keep it here. Talk to Doc will be right back.